TB Joshua don't live a life, he don't do good way he want to. Whether I do, I don't know anything. If I want even get information now, that's why I'll feel call now because Chris Okote now start this matter.
My people, unbelievable, wonder shall never end. Hey, no be small thing na dey happen for social media, my people. About this late prophet, my people, wonder shall never end. Hey, this one so they come from Apostle Dr Kassy Chuku. My people, make una carry una joko to sit down, come listen to this one. Oh, it don't happen, it don't settle, everybody don't scatter. No be small matter. Oh, my people, things they happen. Oh, Apostle Dr Kassy Chuku, the old firewood, the lion fire, the old firewood where as not dey fit dey break akara war. My people, this one so e loud though. Una know say e get matter when they trend for social media. Alejo, no be small something when they talk say this late prophet say he dey kukere oh, they say he dey do this one, he dey do that oh. No be small thing when our ear never hear. Unbelievable, my people. Make una come listen to wetin Bishop Apostle Dr Kassy talk oh. Hey, whether na apostle, whether na bishop, make una take am like that. Make una listen oh.
Now the one way they trend now is TB Joshua on BBC Africa. You see, I will not want to go into deep, but I have a message for all the sons and daughter of TB Joshua. Because I now want really know if I love TB Joshua or not. Now not say where TB Joshua die, now so all of now go carry a poster, they come for a church. Now they put a billboard for una together with TB Joshua, so that many people who believe in TB Joshua start to believe in him now. Now matter don't set now when I'm supposed to come and wanna defend them. All of now quiet, now mute, now no one talk. Now because they will last stain, people no confuse say, oh, what TB Joshua do? I don't know what I know do. But now the same una see the talk say now so a great pass Idaosa. When I come now, come defend the greatness, not be to call the talk anyhow. When it's time to defend, come out and defend. Now, so the other one for Anambra, Odumeje, he say one beat Chris Okote, Reverend Chris Okote. Say if Reverend Chris Okote talk, he mentioned TB Joshua name again. Kwaya Jaja, Kwaya this, Ndaboski ba Oseba Usu. Now go do on to BBC Africa. They don't call out the man where you believe. Mona go now. Mona attack BBC. Mona prove everything they post there wrong. No man, I no wait for me. I can't help not defend anything. No, I know they defend anything for any of now. Because as far as don't let us know, say we no be one family. We know they carry the same Bible. We no believe in one heaven. We no dey one vision pertaining the preaching of the gospel of Christ. So Mona carry this load by herself because when they try to blackmail my father in the laws, now some of them are here, they sponsor them. Some of them pay bloggers, make they take the post rubbish about my father in the Lord. Both one audio dub and all the bang I do for internet to bring my enemy down. Mona come defend TB Joshua now. Maybe to come, they come and say, oh, believe in TB Joshua. If you believe in TB Joshua, come out now. I'm calling out all the sons and daughters of TB Joshua. All the people where TB Joshua don't impact their life, don't bless, don't in one way or the other. Mona come out now. Not be say for Okote talk now. Now go they attack Reverend Chris Okote. Say, oh, why will you say it? Okote, you are stupid. You are this one. No, I don't want to talk to Odumeje. That one and your mat today. Let me the slapper for Anambra State. A vigilante, I slap it. I able to say now police. So Mona come out now. Mona not to say I can't defend them. I come out now. Mona come out. Mona not got to say me Kassy. After what you now do me, after I want almost frustrate my enemy, if not be apostle, just Sulima, because he will just talk small truths. Because he will tell us some certain things. Now I keep pressing. Now BBC Africa don't bring everything come out. Thank God say that woman they call BC, that useless woman. I don't want to even talk about that useless woman self. One name be BC, we say even work with TB Joshua. He did this, he did that. That made life not frustrate. Now I go promote all these things for BBC. Now she I'm say our life won't be after, but I don't want to talk. I want to challenge you now. We say una be TB Joshua sons and daughter. I dare you people to come out and defend TB Joshua. Not be to they carry a banner and they put for Benin, they open up, put TB Joshua for one side. People they see you and say, oh, this person is a son and daughter of TB Joshua. And they use the glory till they shine. Because as TB Joshua die now one more be the next TB Joshua. It no work for now. It no work for now. See now. BBC don't carry the matter come out. People they come in case he come out to is the body of Christ. So I say no, this one not be body of Christ. So this one a body of TB Joshua and body of people that believe in TB Joshua. Man, they drag me because, like I first talk just now, when my father in the Lord matter come out, some of them will be pastor here. Una go they pay bloggers, now they chat bloggers, now they tell they say make they carry news, now they create story, form lies. They say I merger with Kassy, let's bring Apostle Just Suleiman down, let's do this one, let's do this one. We know they call any bloggers now, make they do anything now. What do you mean they call now? Mona can't do now, Mona can't do one quickly. Mona can't defend TB Joshua. Mona do video. As I see they do video, they defend Apostle Just Suleiman. Mona come across it defend TB Joshua. Say this way they talk about and a lie. Mona bring evidence. Mona pursue this matter. Mona still arrest too. Not be only my neck now. They feel they arrest now. If na me now, if what it BBC talk right na me now for that the plans that want to set me up, arrest me. So Mona start on arrest now. Mona go arrest BBC. Bishop Masoje, leave the matter for them. Leave it for them. Leave it. No, they help them out. Stop helping them out. Meanwhile, BBC, the only thing I get to tell now is say TB Joshua don't live his life. He don't do good way he want to. Whether I do, I don't know. I don't know anything. If I want even get information now, that's why I'll feel call now because Chris Okote now start this matter since 1999. Now we start to the year of this PMP. Many of them hate Chris Okote. Now almost want to kill Chris Okote for the matter. Mona go kill BBC. Mona go kill BBC. Not be only Okote for the get power or only my body. Now for the get power. If you are not defend TB Joshua, all the source of TB Joshua, if you are not defend TB Joshua, now thought that will strike on that. As now they use TB Joshua name till they get fame, I thought I go strike on. I'm not go defend TB Joshua. No, I will not talk money when I collect for a church member during the time when TB Joshua die. Say now one user take go give TB Joshua and I not go give her. Now matter don't come. I'm gonna use that money to pursue this case. I'm gonna use that for when I take clean this bad name where BBC want give her. If they're not doing, I'm saying that true. Because best of the feather fly together. My name is Apostle Dr Kassy. The comment preaching is preaching kata is the old fire with the Akara war, aka the lion killer. See you guys.